काँग्रेसीन आपलेच सरकार असताना सुरू झाले तेरेखोलच्या हॉटेल प्रकल्पाच्या आड विषय लावून धरला। तेरेखोलच्या हॉटेल प्रकल्पाक दिल्ली मान्यताय सरकारान रद्द करची। ही जमीन आसा तशी कुळाकडेन वचपाक जाय, ना जाल्यार थंय भौशीक प्रकल्प उबारचो म्हूण खासदार फ्रांसीस सार्दिनान मागला। तो पणजे मिडियाकडेन उलयतालो। धीर्य सुरू जावचे म्हूण सार्दिनानूय तेको उक्तायला।
I didn't say that the previous government did not, but now 89,000 square meters is not a small chunk.
It's only 5% of total land.
Don't consider what percentage, you consider how much is the land. 89,000 is close to a lakh. So one side we say that we want special status so that outsiders don't buy this land, and here you are talking about 89,000 square meters of land. My demand is, as we say, we don't want land sharks. Unless you have a public project, land should be reverted back. I am in favor of DDO, that after the state approves, we have to proceed with the government, saying that make an exception for
There was a
Goa.
bill passed in the assembly earlier.
Let them to pass. No private member bill. You pass it as a government bill.
इतले मजगती सरकारान अजून मेरेन राज्य पुलीस कागाळ प्राधिकरणाचे नेम तयार करूंक ना आनी समिती नेमूंक ना म्हूण राष्ट्रवादीन विशय काढला। सरकारान बेगिनात बेगीन वांगडी नेमचे आनी पुलीस विधेयक चालीक लावचें अशें राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन मागलां। शहा आयोगाचो अहवाल तपासपाक नेमिल्ले न्यायाधीश खांडेपारकार समितीची एकय बसका जावंक ना अशें ट्रॉझन म्हणटा।
As per the RTI reply, this committee can consist of another 3 to 5 members, but not a single member is appointed, and hearings are continuing. NCP demands that the SPA rules be framed and the members be appointed and justice be given to people who are maltreated by the police. As much as NCP demands that the police bill should also come into force as early as possible. The Chief Minister is in record to say that Justice Khandeparkar himself said that it will take too long a time, and it is my information that committee under Justice Khandeparkar has not even met those other members.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट मीडिया।
भाजपाचो आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो आनी गोवा विकास पार्टीचो आमदार परत त्रासान पडू शकतात। तांचे भारतीय नागरिकत्वाच्या प्रस्नाचेर केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालयान 8 सप्तका भितर निर्णय घेवचो अशें दिल्ली उच्च न्यायालयान सांगला। आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव।